Hi guys, what's up? For those of you who've been here, thank you so much for your support and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, I'm Pratiksha Kaushik. I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what you would need as a beginner in makeup. So if you're someone who's just starting out, or if you're someone who's looking for products for everyday wear, or you don't want to invest in too many products, then this video is for you. As a beginner, I have done the mistake of spending too much money on products that I don't know how to use, or products that after I've invested in, I have not used them. This video could help you avoid that mistake. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we get into the video, I would request you all to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon that's right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Before getting into makeup, it's very important to prep your skin well. To get a very flawless base or to get a very even base, it's very important to hydrate your skin, and for that I would recommend using a good moisturizer. So the one that I'm using is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is what it looks like. This is one of the best drugstore moisturizers you could get in the market. There are some really high-end products as well. If you're looking for something high-end, if you're looking to invest in something for long term, I would leave options for you in the description box below as well as on the screen. The next thing, if you are going out during the day, I would also recommend using a sunscreen on top of your moisturizer. I have two sunscreens with me. One is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and the other one is the UV Perfect Matte and Fresh sunscreen. So these are my two favorites. They are both really good. This one's a little matte, this one's a little dewy. So if you're looking for a good sunscreen, I would highly recommend these two, but there are so many others in the market and you could choose depending on your skin type. Moving on to the next step is to kind of even out your skin tone. To get a base. For that, you can either use a BB cream, a CC cream or a foundation. Now I don't use a CC cream, I usually use a BB cream or a foundation. So if I'm looking for something for daily wear, or I'm heading out just to run errands or just for a quick meeting with a friend or something like that, then I go for a BB cream. The one that I use is the Pond's White Beauty BB Plus in the shade Original. I highly recommend using this. If you're looking for a good BB cream or very inexpensive, then this one is the one you should go for. This retails for 145 rupees for 18 gram of product, and I highly recommend this. It gives you medium coverage, it evens out your skin tone, and it's very lightweight on the skin. Now if you're looking for a full coverage, or you're looking for more coverage than a BB cream, then I would recommend using a foundation. So for the foundation, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte+Poreless foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now this retails for about 550 rupees for 30 ml of product. This is a really good foundation. It's kind of matte but does not dry your skin out. It blends really well. The only thing I would love this product to have is a pump. It kind of doesn't have a pump. It has an open nozzle, so it can get a little messy, but other than that, this foundation does a really good job. Now if you're looking for something high end, then I would leave options for you in the description box below and also on the screen. Moving on to the next product, I would recommend using a concealer. Now if you're someone who has a lot of dark circles, or if you're someone who has a lot of blemishes and you want to cover them up, I would highly recommend using a concealer. The one that I use is again the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. It retails for about 475 rupees for 8 ml of product, which I think is really inexpensive. It sets really well, and it is a kind of medium coverage. It is not full coverage, but it's buildable, so I highly recommend this concealer. Now to set all of this, to set your base, you kind of need either a compact or a loose powder. I personally like using a loose powder more than a compact, and I use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 25 Medium. This retails for about 695 rupees for 20 gram of product, which again I think is really inexpensive. If you're looking for inexpensive good products, Maybelline is your go-to brand. The next step is to give your face some color and structure, and for that I would recommend putting on some blush and contouring. As a beginner, I wouldn't recommend buying a separate blush, a separate contour and a separate highlighter, and that's why I recommend using a blush, contour and highlight palette. The one that I use is the Maybelline Master Contour palette by the Face Studio. This has a highlighter shade, a blush and a contour shade. This is very handy. Even when you're traveling, you don't have to carry 3 separate products. You can just carry this one palette and you're good to go. So this is what I highly recommend. Now I don't know if this is still available because on Nykaa it's always out of stock. I think this was for about 800 or 900 rupees. I'm not too sure, I got this long ago, but there are other palettes in the market and I will leave them on the screen as well as in the description box, so you can check those out. Talking about multi-purpose products, if you're not someone who's into contouring, you can use a lip and cheek tint for your blush. I think they do a really good job. Moving on to the eyes, all you need is some eyeliner and mascara. Depending on whether you're a kajal person or an eyeliner person, you can pick whatever you want to. For kajal, I use the Lakme Iconic Kajal, and for eyeliner, I use the Lakme Absolute Shine Line liquid eyeliner. There are also sketch pen eyeliners in the market. I used to use them a lot before, but then now I use this. I'm kind of used to this, but I also think that the sketch pen eyeliners make your job really easy. This one retails for about 250 rupees for I don't know how much of the product. I've used it so much that all the print is gone, but this is about 250 rupees and really inexpensive, really good. It doesn't smudge very fast, so I would highly recommend this. And there are so many other brands which make really good eyeliners. You can pick whichever you want. The next eye product is mascara. If there's one product that I would like to pick for the rest of my life, I would say mascara. I think it really helps define your eyes. It just enhances your look immediately. The one that I started off using as a beginner was the Maybelline Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And so if you're looking for something lightweight, you're looking for something that kind of lengthens your eyelashes and makes it look very voluminous, then this is the one for you. But if you're looking for a very heavy duty mascara, then I also love the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. The only problem with this is it is very heavy duty and it is kind of waterproof, so it's really hard to take it off. But other than that, it is a really good mascara. If you're looking for a good mascara, I would highly recommend Maybelline. They have some really good mascaras depending on your type, whether you want to lengthen your lashes, you want to make them look voluminous, or whatever your requirement may be. If you have a little more budget, then you can go for the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Now to blend all of this, you need a beauty blender. I recommend using beauty blenders more than brushes because I think they make your work so much more easier. Nykaa, PAC, so many brands. I have this one from a local store here in France, but you can you have some really good ones in the Indian market and you can check them out. I will leave some on the screen. The next thing you need in your basic makeup kit is a good lip balm. I use the Sebamed Lip Defense lip balm. It's really good, really hydrating, does the job really well. It's a little on the expensive side. It's about 500 rupees, but it's worth every penny. Coming to lipstick, I would recommend starting off with some nude lipsticks. So the ones that I have are by MAC. These are my two favorite nude lipsticks. One is the shade Brick Ola and the other one is Meher. Both of these are by MAC and they're a little expensive, but I think Nykaa has some really good shades. If you're looking for something inexpensive, you could go and look at shades from Nykaa. I would recommend these two nude shades. One is with a pink undertone and the other one is a little bit on the brown side. So this is what the shades look like. Again, lipstick can differ depending on the skin tone. So depending on your skin tone and depending on your preference, you can choose whatever you want to, but it is really essential to have a lipstick in your makeup kit. Lastly, you need a good makeup remover. So the one that I use is the Garnier Micellar Water. This one is really good. It even takes off like your heavy duty eye makeup. If you have the budget and you're looking for something on the higher end, then I would recommend using the Bioderma Micellar Water. But if you're someone who doesn't like using the micellar water because you have to kind of use a cotton pad to take it off or a cloth to take it off, and that can get a little harsh, so you can also use a cleansing balm, and I would highly recommend using the Clinique cleansing balm. So these are the 3 products that you can check out. So that's about it for today's video. As a beginner, that's all the products you need. This is more than enough for an everyday look. If you're a student, if you're a college going person, or if you're someone going to work, that's really all that you need on an everyday basis. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Pratiksha signing off. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.